My name is Yusuf. Our group name is Cleauva. Our project is BO-A-SIS. Facts. In some areas of Indonesia, over 50% of drains are polluted by organic waste, leading to foul odors, mosquito breeding, and waterborne diseases while existing cleaning methods like chemical remain toxic and unstable. Research, as you can see, we've researched the EM Bokashi and source in Inano. Our location is at Cleauva, and this is the location of Cleauva. So if we summarize all of this interview, the interview will say the water sewage will smell really bad. So problem statement. How can we remove bad odors and pollution in water drainage caused by waste and bacteria to ensure clean water near EM Bokashi? So this is our SDGs. 6. Clean water and sanitation. 14. Life below water, and 15. Life on land. So there are other solutions in EM Bokashi mudballs.